Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Hold on tight, it'll be alright. And we'll make it out the other side. And we'll make it out the other side. So hold on tight.
Mic test. Right. Happy New Year, everyone. So I'm sorry there's a lot of background noise. My neighbors and my entire estate decided to do a whole lot of drilling today. So I'll probably, if it's too loud, let me know. I'll mute myself. Let me make sure everyone's set up. So my Zoom friends, I posted the link a bit late on Discord, so it's already up. If you want, you can go check out the channel. Right. So let's have a look at my favorite pair, GG. Oh, Manish, sorry, I haven't posted it on Slack. Give me 1 second. The noise is killing me. Give me a while. Right, Manish, you can do a check on Slack. So I posted it in London as well as the New York session. Where's the institutional testing that I was doing? I'm not ready to use it yet. My hit rate hasn't been that fantastic with it, so either I'm not used to it. I prefer to trade my retail trader method. So I'm still working on it, but I have had better results with my own strategy, so I'm sticking with it for the time being. Hey Manish, Happy New Year. Is it damn noisy? I'm sorry, they're drilling everywhere.
Not that noisy, it's alright.
Okay, if it's too loud, let me know, then I will mute myself. Because they're drilling next door and they're drilling downstairs, so.
Or you started to live next to the mine site, is it?
Yeah, I moved next to a quarry.
Are they mining gold now?
Yeah, mining gold, that's why. Okay, let's see. So I will not be live trading this week. I'm still doing some testing because I started. So I have like copier set up on the prop account. So I'm intending to actually do one end for it. And probably because I know a lot of people are on FTMO, I wanted to just give them a try just for the fun of it. Yeah, so I'm still testing my copier. I got a VPS set up, so now I'm having a bit of technical problems. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to look at the charts. But for the time being, my analysis for GJ is that I am long bias. So if we look at the monthly on GJ, so we closed with new higher lows forming over here and an uptrend on the monthly. So I'm looking for price to test this highs and potentially 144. But before it hits to those areas, right, I'm thinking that price will come back to test this daily resistance area at 140,300. So that's what I'm looking at. So yes, right now price is just rejecting from those previous highs, so I'm not rushing into a longs yet.
Oh, I've got pretty much the same marking. 140, 300, 400, more like 400.
Yeah, so I've been doing some testing about because I used to use FIPS on the higher time frame, the 4 hours. So I've been testing it. It has improved my hit rate. It has also gotten me 5-minute entries, so that will make the stop loss actually a bit smaller and we can get in a bit earlier with more confluence. So previously I did not want to use the 5 because I didn't have enough confirmations, but I managed to find a way to use my FIPS and my zones as confluence on the 5. So hopefully we'll see something. I can explain it. Afian. I have no idea, man. My neighbors moved out and they are renovating their house, and my estate decided to renovate the entire estate management. So
everyone here is looking very, very fresh for 2021.
hey Ace, what's up? I thought you were working.
Thanks.
No, I'm on break.
Oh, till when?
Till let me check. 15th? Yeah, 15th of January.
Ooh, nice.
When you run out of money.
No, I'm going away for a trip. Like
I thought you went already?
No, I haven't went yet.
Oh, you haven't gone? I thought you went during December.
No, haven't went yet. It's January 11th to 14th.
Oh, okay. Ace, you're like a celebrity. It's like I say your name and then the chat's like, ooh, Ace is back.
Oh, really? What chat?
YouTube
empty.
chat.
Oh,
Not here.
no man's land over there.
Yeah, YouTube chat. Let's see.
Wow, thanks guys. I didn't know I was so entertaining.
You are. Why is gold rising? I think so with gold, I haven't exactly looked at it, but we have a new US government, right? So I am not really sure. I have not read up on it, so I'm not going to comment something wrong. But I think for gold, if the US has vaccine news, which is positive for the dollar, then gold should drop, including the. I think they have the new government has. They are doing something with the interest rates. I need to read up on their new direction. I haven't exactly looked at it. I literally went off the charts. Like I just did backtesting. I was in my own world, so I didn't really bother about what was happening outside. GJ looks like it's making its way down as I would like. So let's check news. It doesn't look like there's anything on the calendar until 1.5 hours later. So we have some PMI news, the first for the year from Europe in about 3 minutes. So if anyone's trading EJ, just watch out. Manish, what level do you say you were looking for it to test? 400.
Yep. I'll send you the chart.
Okay. Yeah, there was previous resistance turn support at 400 as well.
There's no markings on the chart, but it's just that zone that I've marked.
Let's see. 30. Yeah, it's the same area. I saw it as this area here. So this was the previous high that was retested as support here. So if the first area where price should have a problem, because it doesn't look like the bullish trend is strong now, today anyway. If it's strong, I would think it might bounce at 600, but from the way these rejections have come off 141, 200, which is a very strong weekly, daily, monthly level of resistance, I think the resistor retracement should be a lot deeper. So I'm looking at between 200 to 500 possibly. So we'll see. Don't rush. Please don't take a loss on the first trade of the year.
When do you start using a retracement?
Oh,
Pips.
I was testing it. I actually did use it last time, but on the 4. So I've been trying to refine it on the lower time frame.
I don't ever use it because it's like subjective.
Yeah. So I have a few criterias before I plot it down on a chart. Because it's like trend lines, right? You can plot them anywhere and then they give you different readings.
Yeah. So you're not exactly sure whether you're correct or not.
Yeah. But for me, this fib was plotted because what I thought was, this was the new high that was tested. So this was the latest swing on the 4 hour. So I just plotted it based on that. Obviously, I don't enter just off the fibs. So when it enters into this area over here, between 200 and 400, I'm going to wait for confirmations on the lower time frame. So if support forms inside this pink box, then yeah, I'll take the long.
I was going to short on a 4 hour, on the 4 hour close.
The earlier 4 hour, right?
Yes.
But
then I thought, you know what, let's be cautious. Stay back.
yeah. I mean, you could trade the pullback because it's quite a big range to come down. It's like 60 plus pips the last I measured. Yeah, it's probably around like 40 to 60. but it is counter trend.
I thought you guys would have taken the shots on the 30-minute when that candle closed, previous candle closed.
Yeah, there would have been.
Yeah, that would have been a good trade because
Oh, sorry, Ace.
here, this
bad.
here.
Let me see.
You know what I mean? Because this candle here is volume.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, but if you're trading it short, there is, let me see how much range there is. Yeah, so it's 40 pips down for how big a stock? 22. I don't know, on the left, personally, for me, the left is a bit messy. Because if it's a 20-ish pips stop, right? I would run into issues here at 140.650 first. So let's put the fib aside. Just this area here, I would have some problems with it. This support. So I didn't feel like I had enough range to trade it counter and short. Because overall I'm still long bias on it. I would rather let it come down first and then I'll take the bigger move up.
Yeah, your long-term price action, right?
Yeah.
Anyone that just want to scalp and leave, that was
Yeah.
a move right there.
Yeah.
It would have been what, 15 pips.
On the flip, yes, around there.
So has everyone written down their goals for this year?
My goal.
Mine is just to wait for candles to close.
That's a simple goal. It's good.
Well,
I don't have a hard number. Again, as with every year, I don't have a hard number. I focus on the process, not the outcome.
You know how hard it is to make something simple?
It's the KISS theory. Keep it stupid simple.
Man, Manish, you're looking very young today.
Today.
No, I mean like, you look really fresh.
Been working out.
Oh, that's good.
It's just me really happy, man. First day back to trading 2021. I have a feeling it's gonna be awesome. If I stay.
No, it's both of you. I'm just thinking, man, is it the webcam or both of you are looking like damn good? It's
No,
like
I think
the
it's because
skin is glowing or something.
I think it's because
Yeah, man,
we
you've
both
been
had standing desks. I went to finally get a standing desk because my back was killing me.
Are you standing or sitting down?
Yeah, I'm standing now. I'm so full.
Why don't you get?
I like rushed
Why don't you
home.
get an ergonomic chair?
My chair is already kind of ergonomic, I think. Wait, what's an ergonomic chair? Herman Miller?
Oh, like a DX racer chair, you know?
What's that?
What?
Why are you so fancy?
No, I'm not. You live in Singapore. They advertise it everywhere.
DX Fraser.
DX racer. DX racer.
Gaming
racer.
chair?
Yeah lah.
I already have lah. Mine is your secret lab.
Oh, sorry. Then it's your back there, not the chair.
Yeah, it's my bag. It's my bag. I've just been sitting too long, so I was.
You need to go for a twainer.
Yeah, man, tell me about it. I need to schedule one this week. Oh, I know why I look fresh. I went for facial just now.
Oh, no wonder I was like, man, you guys are like looking really good.
I'm glowing.
Facial yesterday.
Huh?
I went for facial yesterday.
Yeah, see?
Oh,
okay,
no
it's
wonder.
the facial.
I called it out. I was like, man.
It's the facial.
Conveniently, eh?
This is no makeup, by the way. And Manish has no makeup either.
Yeah, man. No filter.
Yeah, no filter.
Just a lot of light. Right on my head, you know?
Yeah.
Just right above my head.
Mine is natural, like coming from my window. What time frame was I on when I plotted my fib? Janet, I used the 4 hour. So 4 hour. So here, start of the move, because this was the newest higher low. Latest opposing candle at the end of the swing.
The previous daily candle looks so weird.
It was a gap, I
Little-
think.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think someone was asking in the Discord chat. So they wanted to go long immediately, but to me, long bias, yes, for sure, but not immediately on Monday open. It was primed to gap down. It was just
I really
primed.
expect it to be slow. I mean, the year just started.
Yeah. Like normally I usually start on personally I prefer to start on the second week. It's like, you know how if Apple launches a new phone, you don't buy it immediately. You buy it when they
you wait
sort out
for-
their issues.
Yeah, you wait for everyone to take the plunge.
Yeah. You let them test first, be guinea pigs. So what are you guys doing over the holidays? I know some people are still trading. What are you doing, Manish? You hands off the chart entirely?
Sorry, Al, were you asking me?
Yeah, did you go off the charts entirely?
Completely. I literally opened charts this afternoon just to see where GJ and GA is.
Yeah.
I saw the news that they have finally signed the Brexit deal, the contract thing.
Yeah. They signed it before the new year.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they decided to do it when everyone else is on holiday. So
Yeah. Yeah.
I've been really bad though. I to be honest, I haven't done any back testing whatsoever. I should have.
It's
Just didn't
fine.
get time. I'm just really busy with the family stuff, barbecues and everything. You know, we have summers, and unlike all other countries, we don't have any lockdowns.
Oh, neither do we. Damn.
Neither do we have any COVID patients. So we
Wow, you guys are
Thank you.
better than us. Yeah, we still have some. I think it's fine that you didn't look at the charts, nor do any back testing. Sometimes it's good to get your mind off the charts, to be honest.
I really wanted to relax, to be honest.
Yeah, because we have literally 250 trading days. I read somewhere. I didn't go and count, but I think it is that number. We have 250 days. So I like to take my time to start, because once I start, I know I'll be going all the way to December. Sometimes, in the middle of the year, I might start to feel a bit of burnout. And if I do feel that way, I am like, sometimes I'll just like go off. I've been known to like take 2 weeks off the charts in the middle of the year.
Yeah,
Yes.
no, you're right. I'm gonna try and take only I mean, I've been consistently doing it, but this time I'm gonna try and take less trades, just more probable trades. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do that this year.
Yeah.
Complete discipline. Let's see how long it lasts. I try to focus on that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think-
look at GJ falling.
It's good. I like it. If it falls, fall down. Come on. I like it to come down.
So how did you put your fib? Is it 139,500? Is that where you started from?
So because the lower time frames are really messy, right? What I did was I went on to the 4. So this was the cleanest move. So I look, it's the same thing as, so you understand the order blocks a bit, right? So the criteria for starting to look at the fibs are the same. So I generally look for a swing, so a move of same colored candle. So this is quite obvious. So this move here, and then I look for the opposing candle. I plop it down there. Look for the next opposing candle at the high, which is here, this high, and I plopped it down. That's just how I do it. So I can do this on the 4. I can do it on the 30-15, and then I execute on the 5. Like I found quite a bit of success on that when I was backtesting over the holidays. Yeah.
We're looking at on 4 hours.
Basically, look for a clean move. It's the easiest way to spot. Yeah, and I start plotting a fibs down whenever I have a zone that is broken. If I don't have any zones that are broken, I don't plot it. So back to what Ace was saying just now, fibs can be subjective. So I added that criteria for myself, so it's a bit easier to see. Because generally on fibs, you are just measuring how deep the retracements are going to be. So retracements usually come when they break a zone, when price breaks a zone. Yeah, so that's what I've been measuring. Yep. West, did you manage to find a prop firm in the end? I ate so much for lunch, I feel like puking now. We went. Oh, there was a case at supply and demand. Which one? Where is supply and demand? Oh, so are you on quarantine now, Prati?
Hey, Ace.
Yes.
Ace, are you doing any challenge? Remember we decided that we're gonna do the challenge this year?
Oh yeah, Manish, what did you choose in the end?
I did not
Oh
choose.
no, I haven't even chosen any.
I haven't even signed up. I'm gonna do it now, right away. I haven't even done my research, so help me out. I am not really sure which one to go for because I'm so new with this thing.
FTMO.
I'm doing 2. Like, because I know like FTMO is like one of the more common ones. So I was thinking I would just vlog my entire prop experience just for fun. So like, this year is like a whole year of experimentation for me. So I'm going to try FTMO, and I'm also going to try I've already set up Mfoid. Mfoid's sharing is 50-50, FTMO is 70-30. So depends on what you want to do. But their criteria, their evaluation criteria is about the same.
So what about this funding talent?
I
Seems
don't
legit.
personally, I don't like their aggressive model. It's not transparent, personally. So if we look at it, right? So I've never used them, but before you do anything, like just read their T&Cs, because you'll be measured against their criteria in order for them to pay you out, right? So the thing I didn't like about it was, if you look at this, what is this? No rules on risk consistency, and they don't elaborate. So if you go and read through, they have like a whole FAQ. There's nothing that states this specifically, so it's gonna be very vague. So this one says strict rules on risk consistency. What the hell is that? Does that mean I have to take 1% on every single trade? I cannot have a range of percentage risk? Because like for me, I have different percentage risk for different kinds of setups. So I kind of mentally, I have a grading system for my trades. So I have like A grade trades, B grade trades, and C grade trades. So A's, sometimes they get like 2 to 3% of risk from me. but C's will only get like maximum 0.5. So am I gonna be dinged if I do that? I think so. So that's why I didn't really like it.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
Yeah. Yeah. So I mean, read through carefully first. I don't think there's a rush to get it. Just
Yeah, I
look for a
feel like
proper one.
when I go on and I read that criteria, the more I read, the more I just want to trade my own capital.
Yeah, correct. So I'm still trading. So I started a few things. So for those who didn't follow me on Instagram, like I did some things to challenge myself in other ways. So I reduced my live account because I'm gonna put on the props, right? So I don't need such a big live account. So I reduced my live account and I'm gonna grow a 10k live account and see where I get at the end of the year. That's one. Then I'll be opening 2 prop accounts. Then I'm just gonna play around with these 3 and see what happens.
Just aim to flip it in a year.
We'll see. Yeah, we'll see.
That's what I'm aiming for.
Because if you can fulfill any of the prop firms' criterias, right? Most of them need you to do a 10% profit during the evaluation. If you can achieve this consistently month on month, that's going to be 120%. So easily you would flip your account if you're going for props and stuff like that. But this is a minimum criteria that they need. So I don't see how flipping an account is difficult by the year end. Unless I know of people that just go ham on the prop accounts just because it's so cheap. Like, imagine getting a 100k account just by putting $800. So they go ham on the account and they max leverage and shit like that. And that's a bit stupid.
Defeats the purpose when you actually do trade for a living.
Yep, correct. So I know this is like $800 to me. So I know people that guys go ham just because it's not their money. Then it defeats the purpose. I think using the prop account is good, but at the end of the day, personally, my objective it would still be to trade my own funds. So if I can use them to generate more returns to build my live account, why not? Yeah. But it's just a fun thing for me to do, so I thought I'd try it. 6. Yeah, whereas I didn't like 5%ers because when I tried to measure like the way I trade, right? With their criteria, their leverage affected me. So I know they have a longer testing duration, evaluation duration, but the thing that turned me off was the leverage. I was like 1:30, no. I don't take very big positions, but with 1:30 leverage, it will be very tough for me to hit the profit target the way I trade. Because I have to use less than 1% per trade. So I don't think I can do that. Kyogo slow. New here just started. Don't need to go ham on the charts. Don't be a hamster. Stat FX. What's that? Oh, I think I saw this website before.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Hey.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Are you trading today or just watching?
I'm watching. I'm starting live next week only. Just want to let the market set up first. But either way, I'm looking at if anyone's looking at longs, I'm just watching for price to react around between 300 to 500. Yeah.
I was looking to short, but like I think I missed it.
Yeah, just missed it.
Don't worry, we missed it as well.
Okay.
I think that day we were looking at this, but this they have a
think very few-
subscription.
Oh, sorry, you go.
No, they have a subscription. And if I'm not wrong, when we calculated this was like a 6%. I forgot what was wrong with this. But I remember this website and I didn't like this. Let me try and recall what it was. Yeah, what were you saying is? Weekly loss limit. Ace, what were you saying?
I was saying that I don't think many of us are in the mindset to really hammer the charts at the moment.
Oh, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised, man. I got DMs over the holiday period about people sending me their charts, and then
I tried to. I hopped on the charts and look at it, and I was like, yeah, nah.
yeah. Yeah, I was like, oh man. A few people got hammered. JJP. So this weekly loss limit, I don't think I'm counting this wrongly, but this is only a 0.65 loss that is acceptable. So I think you gotta use a really small position size in order to trade, which makes hitting the target a bit tough, I think. So I think that was my review of it. I mean, unless you can hit it with your strategy, then it's fine. But looking at the way this is calculated, I think your size per trade cannot be more than 1%, if I'm not wrong. Unless you're so sure about your entry and your win rate is quite high. Yeah. Because 0.65% loss per week is very low. So if we just look at the loss limit on, let's say on the other companies, loss limit per month, this is a 10% per month. So you divide that by 4, it's 2.5. Top step is giving you 0.65. Oh my god. I don't think I can hit it. So that's why I didn't go with this. Could I explain why my trading style doesn't work with 1:30 leverage? So if you understand how leverage works, right? I calculated it. So if you don't understand it, just Baby Pips has a very like primary level explaining leverage. So my understanding of it was that I would not be able to trade the normal size that I do with the leverage that they're giving me. I have to use a really small percentage risk, which will affect me hitting their profit targets. Yeah, so that was why I thought it wouldn't fit me. So it seems 5%ers seem a bit more suitable for swing traders who hold for like, I mean, I can do trades for like 3 to 4 hours, shouldn't be a problem, but I don't get those kinds of trades every day, so it might affect me when it comes to validating myself on their criteria. Let's see who else. Let's see what other prop firms the rest use. So if you guys are interested, like we have this, I opened up this prop trading challenge channel. So there are some people who are already in some challenges. They have given their own experiences. They know a bit more. So if you want to read, the channel is open to everyone. So there was also a review given by one of the members regarding funding talent. It's a very long story. If you're bored, you can go read the story. So it's his personal experience. with funding talent, withholding some kind of payment. So just have a read, at least form your own opinions about it. Yes, Wes. I restarted my Swingfish's prop challenge this year. Traders Central Fund. Let's see, what's this? Yeah, sure. So under the private student area, I have analysis that I discuss with them during the day before the day. Trading plans, I don't think, if anyone wants me to review their trading plans, definitely I'll be able to. So this is something new, I haven't really announced it. We have bi-weekly webinars that I'm planning for this year. So yeah, the bulk of it is like that for now. So if you look at under the Zoom and learning, right, I kind of summarize everything that you'll get. Will I be trying Raja's broker? No. Manish is rejecting your zone already. 600. So I'll be this 15. If it closes bullish, it might be an indication that the retracement is done, and then you gotta see how it closes first, obviously. So it might be a possibility for price to continue its move up.
But my zone was around about 400.
400? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see. Because this is the first level that I was watching, 700. Then the next deeper level is 3 to 500.
Yeah, that could be too. There's another thing I'm looking at. I mean, if you go on 30-minute chart, you can see that it's been making higher highs and higher lows. And this retracement seems to have broken the previous higher low.
This one here?
And kind of also has made a lower high. Hang on, I'll just I'll just mark the chart and send it to you and share it.
Okay. Is it advisable to be consistent on trading the London close? So there are three, personally for me, there are three timings where there is volume. So I trade during periods where there's volume. Anything in between where there's no volume, I try not to trade. London Open, New York Open, London close. So you will be able to be consistent trading those timings as long as you not have itchy fingers and try to take the rest of the timings when there's no volume. So you gotta do some backtesting, see how consistent you are, recognizing the patterns at that time. So yes, because I used to trade London close last time when I first started the streams. It was possible. There was volume at that time. Last me, nope. I don't see anything. So I'm not trading live, but I don't see anything that I like yet. Anyway. Yeah, CS. I think plan your trades and then trade your plan. That's all. So take your time figuring out your trading plan. Don't rush into it just because the markets are open. Because if you don't have a plan, it's gonna be a mess. You'll just be fumbling around the dark. So just solidify your plan first. Manish, if you look at my chart, right? The way I'm seeing it, because I know you saw the break of the support, which is these two, right? But the thing is, if we look at this area now, right, price is holding its previous level of lows, its support. So I don't think it might be possible that price might also reject and continue up. Yeah, so there is a possibility that the retracement wouldn't be as deep as what we want. Yeah.
I'll send you a message chat.
The candles are quite messy, to be honest.
Yeah, just ignore the trend line.
Okay. Let me see. Yeah.
So see the red ones, you can see it's making higher highs and higher lows. The green ones, they are higher lows. Red ones are higher highs. And the purple one, I believe that's the lower high.
Yes, it is.
And yeah, at this stage, I am a little confused. I would like to see another lower high created and lower low. I think now would be confident that, okay, so the trend has changed and then probably enter.
Yeah, exactly. So this support level here was broken, right? So ideally, you want to see price come around this area and then continue down.
Yep.
Yeah, because either way, if you catch it here, your risk reward is just gross. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Plus your trend line is valid anyway.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. But I've realized, so in last month, the whole December, I pretty much traded in GA at the same time.
How was the result?
I'm absolutely in love with GA. I mean, you can score many pips in GA.
Yeah.
And the trends are so clear. Higher highs, higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows. Once it starts making that, it's just amazing.
Yeah. GA is more volatile than GJ. GN as well. Yeah.
I heard my name. What's up?
No. Is
your name GN?
Oh no.
No, his name is GA. Great Ace. Will I be sticking to Pepperstone? Yes. So in March, I think most of the Australian brokers, because of the ASIC's regulations, they have to reduce their leverage. So I've transferred my accounts to Pepperstone Bahamas. So the only thing I don't get is the ASIC protection, so to speak, when it comes if I have any disputes. But so far, I don't know, I've been with Pepperstone for like a year plus. I've never had any issues with them. And I've had problems with my accounts. They have solved it so fast compared to IC. So I trust them. Plus with Pepperstone Bahamas, it is technically unregulated, but initially I was under the misconception that your funds would be held in the Bahamas. No. Your money is actually held in Barclays in the UK, so it's a tier 1 bank, so should be fine. Ace, have you gotten your magic keys from Black Bull?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
After like how long?
Oh man, too long.
They wanted to make sure that you could cover the cost in your commissions for magic keys, then they shipped you a magic key.
Yeah, pretty much, I think so.
And what happened to the one that you ordered? Did you give it to Manish for Christmas?
Oh no, I'm using one and my dad uses one as well.
Oh, you screwed Manish. You didn't give him your magic keys.
Manish is a grown man, he'll get one himself.
Bought Litecoin. Goes for you. I don't trade Bitcoin or whatever coin. I'm sorry.
And I was about to invest in XRP. It was going over $1, like New Zealand dollar. And I was like, wow,
XRP
this
against the
is
Kiwi?
fun. Sorry?
XRP against the Kiwi?
No, XRP against USD.
Oh, okay.
No, I was saying the value in New Zealand dollars.
Oh, okay.
Like
How much?
it went over $1 or something.
Oh, what happened?
I struggled so much to create an account with a couple of brokers that I had at that time. I just found the whole process so not user friendly.
Yeah.
And I was just turned off. I was just really, really turned off. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna do it. Saved.
I think it's a sign.
I was gonna put like about 5,000 in it.
Yeah, must have been a sign then. I don't know. If I'm not wrong, like there was a guy that gave me Bitcoin. He gave me a tiny bit of Bitcoin. So he gave it to me
You must be a
when
millionaire.
no, he gave me like 0.002 of a coin, the smallest coin you could give. It's worth $100 now. When he gave it to me, it was 60. I'm just gonna keep
Come
it.
on, I'll cash it.
Nah, it's only 0.02. If I cash it out, right? Oh man, it's just a waste of my time and effort.
Pump and dump.
Other than trading, do I have other sources of income? Yes. I teach tuition. I teach little kids. So, and I have no. No, so there is so that I do get affiliate fees as well. So like these magic keys, if you guys like want to support me, I have the link is an affiliate link. What's that? Software FX is also an affiliate link. So there's a tiny bit of income coming from that if you guys get it. It doesn't cost you anything more. So the companies just pay us when we promote it. I teach kids and I teach how to trade. Yeah. Do I plan to do any other business this year other than trade? No, I think right now this year's focus is going to be on trading and just helping people.
We're missing some people. Shijiski. Who else?
Yeah, man. Hello Kitty posted on Instagram and it didn't turn up. Gonna scold him.
And Mr. Weird posts on Insta.
Oh, Alexi, Mr. Dragon Ball anime, Mr. Anime Boy.
I do not understand his post. Either I'm too old for those, or I don't know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, JJP, same. GA is too wiki for me, and plus it's more expensive for me, so
What is it?
GA. GA is a bit more X for me. And it's more wiki. Now you need to have a slightly larger stop on GA. Is your with Black Bull, right, Manish? What's your spread on GA?
My spread on G at the moment. Hang on, let me just log in.
Oh my god, you're not even logged in. you
No, I'm
you
logged
really don't
into-
intend to trade, do you?
No, I'm logged into my live account.
Oh.
So with the GA that I trade on is on Traders Domain.
Oh yeah, you're switching, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no. So I'm gonna stay with Blackpool. So so this is just a small amount that I'm using on GA with Traders Domain because the spread was really low. Otherwise, if I go on Blackpool with a small account, the spreads are really high.
Oh, how much is Traders Domain again?
How much is it?
Yeah, on GA and GJ.
Hang on, just give me a sec.
Are you planning to use, since you're on Traders Domain, will you then use Dominion Markets?
I'll use that. Yes, I'll move to that Raja's platform. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, GA on Pepperstone now is like 2.
Okay, that's just really weird. The pip counter is gone.
The spread?
Yeah.
Right click on your here. Manage see my screen? You right click on the area, right? And then go under columns, then choose spread. This
Columns and spreads.
yeah. Right click columns, spread. Do you see it?
No, I don't have it.
Oh wait, you're on MT4, right?
5.
Is your table a market watch? This one. This
Say that
market.
again?
Is this market watch on your MT5? Yeah.
I do have it. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So
Right
this
click.
is what you're saying.
Yeah. Right click.
GA
column.
on Exit Trader is 1.5.
On what? XE.
Exit Trader, yes.
Oh. XE. Let's see.
Yeah, 1.3, 1.5. Yeah.
Ah, that's cheap. Dominion Markets commission for one lot is 350. Why don't I want to use it? I'm already getting 350 with Pepperstone. I don't think it's 350 per lot, right? Isn't it $7 per lot? That's what I understood. It's 350 per site, if I'm not wrong. Unless I read it wrongly. Let me see. Where is it?
Commission.
Oh, yeah, see, it's one way. They put it really small. Per lot one way. So it's $7. Please read it carefully, guys. It's 7. Yeah, Jerry's 7, yeah.
It's not much though. If you're trading with one lot.
It's the same. This is like an average price. And let me see. So landscape, you must calculate your position size before taking an entry. It's a must. Do not just key in any random number.
Yeah, but everywhere it is an average. Is the commission will be $7 per lot.
Yeah, correct. This is a normal price, I think.
Yeah.
Yep.
Even Exit Trader.
Yeah. Unless you use like a standard account, then maybe this is lower. Like, see, standard has no commission, but your spreads are disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you scalp, that might not be probable. Look at GJ. They did that shallow retracement off the 38. It was almost gonna give 10. Hassanin Since Pepperstone will be changing average. Yeah, you can maintain your accounts with Pepperstone, just that it will be in Pepperstone Bahamas, not Australia anymore. Then you don't have to change your broker, which also means you don't have to transfer your funds and incur costs. So that was like a primary concern for me. Because if I have to transfer all my funds from Pepperstone to another broker, then I need to do a telegraphic transfer, then I get all the stupid bank fees. So it doesn't make sense. Plus, I don't know anyone at Black Bull. Versus, I've been with my account manager for like a year plus. So I'm quite comfortable with him. He has helped me out. GJ buys above resistance. This. Yeah, if you're looking to make a buy above this resistance at 141, the range is a bit tight personally for me. So this is about 26. I will only take it on the retest. And right now, we're past London Open. So I asked my Pepperstone manager to move my funds to a different country. No, so if you log onto your Pepperstone platform, right? They have this notification. Or if you go under your Pepperstone client login, there is live demo and transfer accounts. If you click transfer accounts, the instructions are all there. So you gotta click that so that they know you want to move your stuff to Pepperstone Bahamas. They do it over the weekend, so in the meantime you can continue trading. Even if you have positions open over the weekend, they transfer the entire thing over, so you don't have any like losses or whatever in the midst of the transfer. Traders Central Fund. Ooh, no evaluation. Monthly subscription. Meh. Let's see. Withdrawal target 5%, drawdown limit 10. Okay. Oh my god. The leverage is even worse. This 1:3. No. Whoever was telling me about this, nah, this doesn't fit me. 1:3, my god. I can't trade within these limits. They make trading crypto by brokers illegal in the UK. Seriously? That's quite sad. Wow, they're banning the CFD. Oh, that's quite sad. Well, they're reducing leverage and they're banning this kind of riskier products just to protect the retail traders. That's because I think in this situation when everyone is so free and they're stuck at home, there have been a lot of speculators in the market and people who don't know what they're doing. So they just literally throw their money into the market. What's my bias on GJ? Long. Wow, why is AU parabolic? Blueberry markets. Yes, I think Andy uses it. Let me see this in the chat. Hey Andy, are you still using blueberry markets? For so Kushpreet, if you want, my FX book has a comparison on all the brokers. So if you go to their website, go under brokers, go under spreads, you can compare all the brokers, so including commissions, and then just do a comparison. So they have quite a lot of brokers. Yeah, so you can just go to my FX book under brokers. Yeah, or the one that Freighter told you. And I think yeah, those two are the more reliable ones.
Hello, hello.
Okay.
What is happening?
GJ is still coming down.
Oh yeah, I think it's continuation, right? That was the first pullback.
Yeah. The pullback gave 10 and then no more. Yeah, I was just looking at the 4-hour entry that Manish was talking about. It had quite a good risk reward actually. If you enter it on the flip, 17 pips for, let's say you take it to the first support side 40 and then 65. Looks decent.
I only saw shorts today.
Based on the 30, right?
Based on higher time frame as well.
Oh? Oh, because of all the rejections to the top.
Yeah, the 4 hours as well.
Yeah.
I mean, long term, I can see buys, but not currently.
Yeah. Today is definitely going to pull back. Because this whole move, it needs to come down for it to continue up. So today, maybe this week, is probably pullback week. I'm tired. I sat down.
Me too. I've just put my table down.
Yeah, I pushed my table down. I considered getting one of those, like, I saw that some people have this balance board that they use when they're standing at their desk to make them kind of exercise at their desk. Or rather, it works your core.
Imagine falling off that on live stream.
Oh!
How many likes would that get you?
I fall off and I smash my face directly into the camera. Damn. So many likes. I'll become a meme, I think. Are you doing research on your prop?
I'm done.
Oh.
I think I might go for FTMO. Let's see. I'm still not sure. I'm not gonna get it now. I will start in February because pretty much all of them says trading days, minimum trading days should be 10.
Yep.
I am not really sure what the volume is like in January. I think it might be low, but in February everything will be back to normal.
Hang on, let me see. Because there's also the Chinese New Year. Yeah, probably. I think because February is a short month, plus the Asian markets will be closed for at least the first 2 weeks, I think.
Probably March then. I'm not in a rush.
don't
I'll
rush.
do it. I'll definitely start it this year in these 3 months, either Jan, February, March. I just don't want to get into a situation where I get really excited and yes, go for it, just go. I do it and then I feel obligated to sit in my chair and trade.
I feel attacked.
Yeah.
Whatever you just sit there.
Ace is sensy. Yeah, I know what you mean. But like traditionally I've noticed that it is a bit slower January and Feb.
March is the home runs, guys.
Yeah, March really is a lot better. But last year we had the roll during March, so ignore last year. Ooh, apparently YouTube allowed links now in the chat. Because people are sending the entire link and I can see it. Ooh. Malcolm, I'm not sure if you want feedback on this. So 60. No, Martin, I see buys as well. It's just that we gotta be really patient with the buys. As long as price doesn't break below this daily, doesn't break below this lows, this one here at 139.5, I'm still long biased. So to avoid spread, how many pips I usually put in my stop loss? Oh, you mean as a buffer? 2 pips for me, because it depends on your broker. So for me it's 2 pips. Yeah, Malcolm, I think I opened up your chart earlier. I'm not really sure why you took the sells. So you might need to write a bit of notes like what Tristan did here. So at least I understand your train of thought. I think for 30 minutes to close above. Let's have a look at EJ. Ooh. Yeah, Tristan, I think if you're just taking it to fill this clean candle on the left, it's possible because this area here was previous support on the 1 hour as well. Here. But I don't... It might be tough for it to continue higher because it already broke this level of support. Right here. Yeah, so I would take... Personally, I would take the bulk of it out once it fills that candle, and then the rest will be bonus, I think. Short-term counter trend. I'm long bias on EJ though. So if we look at the daily, right? So the trend is definitely long. It's bullish. It's just that it's consolidating now. So let me look at the weekly. Yeah, I'm more long biased though, Tristan. Do you see shorts? Yeah, Joshua, I think it's you add on the spread to your stop loss. I think. Because you need to have it wider, right? So you have like, for example, if your spread is 2, then just add. Oh, okay. I think that's if you want to, yeah, to protect your stop loss. Both are valid. So Joshua, I know what you're saying. If you want $100 fixed risk, I think Aldefa is asking like if he wants to take a fixed stop. Yeah, so that it doesn't get hit on spread. Both make sense. Price created lower lows. Dotted lines are 4 hours support and resistance. Okay. PM close bearish below 1 hour immediate support. Okay. Yeah, welcome. So this was the entry that I think Ace was looking at also. Valid. Just I wouldn't personally, it's just me. I wouldn't enter on the retracement. I would enter when it pushes down, because I've seen retracements continue up. But I mean, if you have backtested it with success, then yeah, I'm just a bit more cautious. So my stops would be wider if I waited for it to flip below the body. Am I still doing subscription for the Zoom course? Yeah, it's still going on, Joshua. It's under here on the Discord. I think the link is in the YouTube description. Is it?
Just a note to everyone that we are entering a small interval where there's shadow
Twilight.
volume.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Twilight Zone. What was my widest stop loss for GJ? 40 for around 40 pips when I swung it off the 4 hour. Ooh, cup and handle. So I guess we're all looking at the same area then, 140, 500. Yeah, Brendan, I have it as well. So, oops. I don't look at patterns also because I suck at finding it. But I'm waiting for this area. So let me clear away all my grey boxes. I'm waiting in this area to take longs, if any. So I think it's the same area as you. How come? Oh, you drew it from the lowest swing. Yeah, I saw it. Freighter, can you see his link? I saw it. I think I can. YouTube allows me to see links now. So interesting. I've got to change it to live chat, I think. Got rejected at 141.25 3 times on the daily. 141.25. Above. So Joshua, you're looking for buys above the wicks, but then wouldn't you have this area here? Because this is also, I think the cleanest would be above 700, right? But you would then have, technically this range is tradable. It's like 20. How big is this? From 500 to probably this week high. Yeah, tradable, right? 120.
Guys, I'm off.
Bye.
Kind of secure 12 pips on GJ.
Ooh, nice.
Alright, see you, Manish.
See you, buddy.
Is I going to trade Raja's session later?
Oh, no.
Shorter
Gonna
sessions for you?
I'm gonna slowly, like, ease into this at my own pace.
Yeah.
I already plotted moves like hours before, but you know, I'm not in a like I'm not ready to commit yet.
You're not ready to commit yet.
Yeah, I see the moves happening, but I'm not ready to be in it and commit to like managing my risk.
I don't feel it.
Yeah. Plus, I'm going on a trip next week. You know, I don't want to put myself under that stress.
Can you imagine
You know what I
losing,
mean?
losing and then going on holiday?
Yeah. That's my thoughts exactly.
Sucky feeling.
Yeah. Like this whole move down was pretty much mirrored. See, this move here, so pretty much here.
Yeah. Like to me, I'm just, I don't know, one of my, how should I put it? One of the things that I want to achieve this year is just be more patient with my trades, like even more than I was. So I don't really want to go for like very small moves anymore. I would rather wait, because when I was back testing during the holidays, right, I found like when I trusted my higher time frames and didn't try to finesse with my stop loss, the pip gain was insane. I was averaging about 80. So I would wait. That way I don't have to take so many trades and I can chill on the charts. Because towards the end of the year, I felt like I was kind of forcing it a little with my trades.
The last few months of the year was pretty intense.
Well, it's like, do I take 10? Do I take 15? Oh my god. And I was caught with all the like small moves in between.
I call them the jitters.
Yeah. Have you watched Wonder Woman?
No, I heard it's shit.
Yeah, it's meh.
Yeah, I mean, as soon as they casted Gal Gadot as Wonder Woman, I'm like, seriously? Like, really? She's not even American.
Why? As in, okay, apart from the fact that she's not an American.
Her accent just like, I don't know. Like, she's not buff.
Why would you want to buff Wonder Woman? That's just weird.
Because Wonder Woman is supposed to be buff. I mean, look at like all the other actresses, you know, from the mascara, they're all buff like Wonder Woman's, and like she's the only thin one there.
Really?
Yeah, go see all the other actresses.
They're stout.
Wonder Woman, in the
This is the old
Wonder
one.
Woman movie.
Why? I like her. I literally watched it because of her. It was a shitty movie, but I watched it.
You know when they went to that island and you see all these other female warriors there, they're like buff ass. Then you look at Wonder Woman and she's like thin.
Oh, okay. They are like gymnasts and stuff like that.
Yeah. I'm like, man, are you saying that they're all weaker than like this Gal Gadot chick? Doesn't make sense.
Bro, Gal Gadot was in the army, yo.
So what? I went to the army and I've got a huge belly.
Where is... Oh, you're talking about the other ones inside. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. I know they showed this lady in the show. She looks damn good for her age. Like this old lady. She was I think the first Wonder Woman, I think. Damn. Apparently Gal Gadot needed like back surgery after the show. The little girl was quite good though. She's this little girl. So I'm gonna end the stream in about 10 minutes. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know, because I need to settle some of my stuff on my trading account. Right, if not, Raja will be back, I think, starting at his usual time. Oh, hey Marvin, Happy New Year. How are you? Are you still working from home? Yeah, Joseph. So overall, if you look at daily, monthly, and weekly, it's long bias on GJ. I'm bullish on GJ. So looking at how the latest monthly candle closed, I see it continuing to test the highs. Same thing for the weekly and the daily. It's just that right now I'm watching for a retracement back to that daily support at 140 400, between 300 and 400. So basically the gray box that I highlighted. It should come inside there, form some kind of new resistance if it wants to carry on bullish. If it breaks below 139,500, then the trend has changed and then we're coming short. $140 here in this range here, so this is 143 to around 450. Yeah, same. I think we're all looking at the same higher time frame fib retracement levels. So I drew this fib based on the 4-hour. This swing to that swing. Okay, if there's no other questions, then I'm gonna go off. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please go slow. It's only the first day of the new year. Right. Farewell, farewell, everyone.